Struggling with math, tired of confusing formulas and low grades. Don't worry, I can make math easy, clear, and even fun. I am Muhammad Naveed, M.Phil in mathematics with over 10 years experience teaching students like you at school and college. I teach step by step method that actually make sense. Lessons are in English and Urdu, so you can learn that language you prefer. You will be confidence, understand concept deeply, and improve your exam scores fast. Don't wait. Book your first lesson with me today and start enjoying math. Click now and let's make math simple, clear, and stress free together.